This is BirdNote. Some bird names get right to the point, like the Gray Catbird. Found from Canada to Colombia, these songbirds make a call like a kitten's meow. And they are, you guessed it, gray. In fact, ornithologists have named many gray birds for their predominant hue. Yet some species received more colorful descriptors than others, like the slate-colored grosbeak, a dark gray forest bird of Central and South America. Or the silvered antbird of the Amazon rainforest. The plumbeous vireo's name derives from the Latin word plumbum, meaning lead. The species is found in the western regions of the U.S. and Mexico, and their cool gray complexion helps set them apart from other vireos. The glaucous gull and glaucous tanager are named for the subtle light bluish tint of their feathers. In fact, botanists use the same word to describe plants with a waxy coating, like the gray gleam on succulent leaves and fresh grapes. Who knew birds come in so many different shades of gray? For BirdNote, I'm Ariana Rimmel.